Hey there everyone, so as you can see, I'm going to show you how to pay with cash on Doordash. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's how to do it. First of all, add your items to the cart from the restaurant that support cash on delivery. And after that, go to the checkout. If the restaurant accepts it, you will see the cash on delivery option. Just tap on that, confirm your order, and to fare your exact cash. The dasher will collect the payment once they deliver your order. But what if your cash delivery isn't showing up? Here's a few alternatives you can do. You can use prepaid debit card that you can top up with cash. You can also buy a Doordash gift card available in store like CVS, Walgreens, or online. And you can also link your PayPal through your bank account. No credit card required. So keep note that cash on delivery is only available food Doordash Drive and only if the restaurant support it. If it's not there, you won't see the option at checkout. And that's totally normal. And that's it. That's how to pay with cash on Doordash or other ways to order without the credit card. So thanks for watching and let me know if you have any question down in the comment section. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.